With this cell, we'll place a basic road with intersections. Prerequisite for placing the cell will be an alignment between either two roads or a road and another surface type, such as a parking lot. The alignment must also contain a profile. So here we're placing a profile, and it's critical that the ends of the profile join up with both the roadway and parking area in this case. Rules can be defined in our open roads profile technology, where when one road or surface updates, the profile would in fact also update, and of course these would ripple through to our cell. With our profile created, we need to set it as active, and cell can be placed through the Project Explorer or the task menu. In this case, we'll use the task menu. Before we place the cell, because the cell that we're placing has no features at this time, we'll set some priorities and symbology to more clearly view it. We'll select the cell from the task using our library. We'll identify the center line. We'll identify the edge of pavement at the left end first and the right end of our center line. Once the cell is positioned, an arrow will delineate along the center line when selected, or touched rather. It's critical that the arrow orients itself the same direction as given in the cell dgnlib. Once we accept it, reading through the prompts, the cell will place. One interesting aspect of Bentley's open roads is the ability with the powerful MicroStation platform to work with what we call a managed view. The managed view can be set up with a 3D model in one view and a 2D model in a second view. Here I'm putting the finishing touches on that 3D model view. While this is not necessary to place the cell, it allows the user to more easily identify situations that may need to be addressed with the cell. So here we can work in both plan and profile view simultaneously. In this case, we'll adjust the edge of pavement from the place cell. Watch closely in the 3D view as that edge of pavement moves. Let's see that again. Change the offset to 10 feet, and again, watch the edge of pavement as it updates. Last update we'll make, if you recall, when we placed the cell, we selected the roadway edge of pavement and the parking. We'll watch now as the roadway is modified. Remember, this is the point where we identified for the placement of our cell. We'll change the offset to 24 feet, and even with both the horizontal and vertical changing along that element, we'll now watch as the cell reacts to the movement in our pavement.